This tail's just a wagging.
Both tails?
Yep.
Oh, good.
We all gotta run. They're just sitting there.
They both looked at me.
I know.
What? How did you do that? You never moved.
Riley, where you going? That's a good girl.
Should I have told them to include a soft drink or something?
No, you're fine.
Water's
Look at the pretty babies.
Water's on the diet.
Look at them wagging that tail. Wag that stump, Ike.
I'm starting to feel bad for her dog because her dog was the only one in the house with a tail.
Riley, are you playing? Yeah.
Look at her. Yes, she's playing.
Really, Ike? That all?
Now, I will tell you, well, you probably used to it.
Riley. Riley, come say hey to Mommy and Daddy. Say we miss you. We love you.
Okay, wake me.
Riley,
See something in front?
come say hey to Mommy and Daddy. Say I love you.
I pooed him just a little bit the other night.
Riley,
She was...
give them kisses.
I don't know what it was.
All right.
My dog was barking. Her dog was barking.
Say
Riley was
bye-bye.